Good morning, Sourav sir.
Hello, good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm doing so great. Do you have free time?
Yes, of course.
Let's talk about our speaking part 1.
Yes.
First of all, in your opinion, what kind of mistakes is candidates make nowadays in our speaking part 1?
Numerous. First of all, they try to give memorized answer, and also they try to speak too quickly. What they think is fluency.
They should not, right?
Yes, of course.
To me, actually, it should be natural, not too fast, not too slow. So that's a tip for you. Actually, your speaking should be natural, not too fast or not too slow. So how people can give a good answer instead of providing memorized answers in part 1?
I would say instead of providing memorized answer, they should try to get idea and they should try to implement in their own way. And they shouldn't try to take give the answers too quickly. They can take pause for 1 to 2 seconds.
That would be better for them,
That
right?
would be better for them.
So this is a communication test. We should forget about it. Since our childhood, we have been trying memorizing things. So that can be the reason why people like memorizing answers. But to whom it may concern, or to who actually don't know about this, you should not provide any memorized answer. It will harm your speaking score, right? So you should not provide memorized answer. It will harm your speaking score. So what people can do nowadays? You said people should actually think about the topic, get some ideas. I think they should practice more and more, like with a partner or with an AI maybe. ChatGPT can be a great tool which can provide them feedbacks. And don't try to memorize, try to speak. For example, let's say, sir, do you like visiting museums?
Definitely, I love visiting museums. And recently I went to a museum which is located in Dhaka, which is really old.
How often do you visit museums?
Not so often. Actually, once in a blue moon, I hardly get time for visiting.
To me, visiting museum is an interesting activity, but as like you, I don't get actually enough time. So, like, you should get engaged with this kind of conversation with your partner or with someone. You will like casually talk about something like having coffee or tea, visiting museums. So what kind of the kind of questions you may encounter in our speaking part 1, right? Yes. So if you have discussion with your peer or partner, then you will find something different, and instead of providing memorizing answers, you will be able to speak naturally, and it will help you to enhance your speaking score. Thank you very much. I think you will follow our page, and we will continue making videos regarding speaking, listening, reading and writing. So I think this page or YouTube channel will be beneficial for you. So stay tuned. Thank you.